demonstration tutorial. Applicable for E21. Part 1. Fill the oil and cable connections. Filling the oil tank with anti-wear hydraulic oil. Connect to a 3-phase power source. Switch on the power source. Turn on the machine power switch. Connect the pedal switch to the machine. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the power switch and the indicator light will be on. Turn on the pump switch. Release the e-stop on the step pedal. Click enter to run the machine. Check the main motor's rotating direction. If it rotates clockwise, then it is correct. If it is rotating anti-clockwise, press the emergency stop. Exchange the 2 wires connection. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the power switch and the indicator light will be on. Turn on the pump switch. Release the e-stop on the step pedal. Click enter to run the machine. Part 3. Modes demonstration. The single mode. The jog mode. The continuous mode. Part 4. System operation. Programming. Adjust the YP value to 93, XP to 50 and bending. The angle is 93 degrees, which should be 90 degrees. The bending length is 55, which should be 50. Part 5. Calibration. Y-axis calibration. Set the YP as 93.2. The larger the value, the deeper the slider presses down and the smaller the bending angle. X-axis calibration. Double-click the P. Enter the password 1212 on the const page. Choose the XT in on the teach page. The actual bending length of 55 should be entered. Double-click the P and go back to bend again. Part 6. Production demonstration. The bending angle is 90 degrees. The bending length is 50. Part 7. Switch off. The pump stop switch. Turn off the pump. Press the E-stop. Turn off the power switch.